you, people. Very good evening, Diksha. Very good evening, very good evening. Hope you are all doing great. And is audio, video, everything clear? Yes, people. Is the audio and video clear? Very good evening, Diksha. How are you doing today? So today it's going to be an amazing session. We are going to discuss polynomials case study questions. Okay, so I just want you all to share this amazing session with all your friends too. So please invite everyone to join our session so that we can start it quickly, and a good number always makes the session more interesting. Okay, so please do share it with all your friends, people right now. Fine, good to know that better. Chalo, all those who have joined the session, so you can interact with me in this chat box. You can interact here in the chat box. And today, polynomial questions, I just want you all to give your best in this. Okay, so we are having amazing case study questions right now. Okay, so please share the session with all your friends right now. And all those who are joining the session, don't forget to hit that like button right now. And if you are very new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay. Right. So let's begin the session then. Okay. I hope everyone, you share the session with everyone. Okay. So people, the countdown begins now. 3, 2, 1, and here you go. The very first question. The below pictures are few natural examples of a parabolic shape which is represented by a quadratic polynomial. Is this very clear? The image? Okay, so a parabolic arch is an arch in the shape of a parabola. In structures, their curve represents an efficient method of load and so can be found in bridges and in architecture in a variety of forms. So this is a case study given to you, and let me tell you, this information given to you is nowhere used to solve the question. Okay, but all that you have to know is it's a parabola. The shape is a parabola, and immediately you have to connect to your mind what chapter, okay, or what concept is related to parabola. Okay, so that connection has to be built in your mind. Dislike? नहीं नहीं, किसी ने नहीं किया बेटा. I see only likes here. Okay, so आप like कर दो. Okay, चलो. So is it clear, people? So this is the information given to us. So nothing to do with the information. Just parabola मतलब आपको relate होना चाहिए कि parabola में क्या होता है. Parabola is related to quadratic polynomial. The graph of a quadratic polynomial is parabolic shape. So इतना आपको आना चाहिए. Okay, till here is it clear, people? Yes, everyone. चलो. And session को share कर दो. So I'll give you 5 seconds. Just share the session and come back, and I'll display the questions. Okay. सेशन को शेयर करके आ जाना बेटा. I'll display the questions. डिट्टो आया. ग्रेट ग्रेट. So you will have an amazing time. So अगर कोई भी question wrong है, so you can have a look at it. And actually not a single case based. We are going to do 3 or 4 case based charge. Okay, so it's going to be amazing. I just want you all to share the session with all your friends. Okay, chalo. So let's display the very first question. एक second बेटा. Okay. In the standard form of a quadratic polynomial, ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are. What are a, b, c in the standard form of a quadratic polynomial? You can answer me in the chat box. Okay, A, B, C. Out of A, B, C, which do you feel is the correct option? Yes. Out of A, B, C, which is the correct option? देखो एक बार. A is all are real numbers. All are rational numbers. A is a non-zero real number and B, C are any real numbers. All are integers. So what do you feel is correct here? A, B, C are. What are A, B, C? In the standard form of a polynomial, A, B, C का मतलब क्या है? Option D. Anurag says it is option D. Any more answers? Any more answers? Okay. So the correct answer is all are real numbers. All A, B, C are real numbers, but A is not equal to 0. ठीक है. So here you write A, B, C सारे belong to real numbers, but A cannot be equal to 0. So देख के ऑप्शन ए लगेगा एज ए करेक्ट आंसर, बट ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्लियर बेटा? ओके, इज इट क्लियर? Now I'll say the next question. If the roots of a quadratic equation are equal, then discriminant b square minus 4ac क्या होगी? What about the discriminant, people? Let me know the answer in the chat box. How will the discriminant be? If the roots are equal, discriminant will be equal to 0 या greater than 0 या less than 0 या greater than or equal to 0. Which option is correct? A देखो बेटा. So Anurag says A. So if roots are equal, अगर equal roots है, so discriminant will be equal to 0 बेटा. Equal roots, discriminant equal to 0. अगर no root, no real root, so discriminant less than 0. Okay, अगर distinct roots, okay, real and distinct roots, so तब discriminant greater than 0. अगर only real roots, discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so ये भी real है, ये भी real and equal है. So अगर मैं सिर्फ real पूछूं, it can be real and equal या real and distinct. So ये वाला option correct होगी. लेकिन फिलहाल if discriminant अगर roots are equal, so discriminant will be equal to 0. ठीक है. So next one देखो. The next one, if alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then k is what? Then what is the value of k? What's your answer, people? What's your answer? Acha. If alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, then k is what? So यहाँ पे ना देखो alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of this polynomial. You know the relation between product of zeros. Do you know what is product of zeros? Product of zeros is nothing but C by A. Okay, alpha into beta is C by A. So here alpha is there and beta is nothing but 1 by alpha. So this is C by A. C का place में you have 8k by A is 2. Okay, so alpha alpha gets cancelled. So 1 equal to 8k by 2, or you have 2 ones are 2 fours are. So k equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so k is equals to 1 by 4 is the correct answer. How many of you gave the correct answer? How many of you were able to do this? Is it clear, beta? And do subscribe to the channel. You're going to get amazing content like this in the channel. Okay, so do subscribe. And do like the video also and do share it with your friends as well. So, is it clear? सबका यही आंसर आया? Only when you respond in the chat box, I'll understand that you have understood. ठीक है? चलो. So the graph of x square plus 1 equals to 0. Graph of x square plus 1 equal to 0 intersects x-axis at two distinct points, touches x-axis at a point, neither touches nor intersects. Either touches or intersects. कैसी होगी graph of x square plus 1? थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ. Let me know the answer. What do you think is the graph of this polynomial? इसका ग्राफ कैसे दिखेगा? What do you think? People expecting answers from you. Okay, so ये देखो. This I can write it as x square equals to minus 1. और x square is और x लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. X is equals to root of minus 1 है ना. So root of a negative value, is it defined? Okay, so इसका no real value आएगा. Okay, so मतलब x का there is no real value. Okay, अगर x का कोई real value नहीं है, so you know that when there is no root, the graph neither touches the x-axis nor intersects the x-axis. Is it clear? So you found what is the relation between the zeros. So यहाँ पे the relation was there was no zeros. Okay, so hence the graph neither touches nor cuts the x-axis. See the next one. If the sum of the roots is minus p and the product is of the roots is minus 1 by p, then the quadratic polynomial is. So यहाँ पे देखो. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta. Let me write it here. Alpha plus beta is minus p. Okay, sum of the roots is minus p. Product of the roots is minus 1 by p. Okay, sum of the roots is minus p and product of the roots is minus 1 by p. So when you're having this, they are asking you to find what? The quadratic polynomial चाहिए आपको. Okay. So how do you find a quadratic polynomial beta? K times x square minus sum of roots into x plus product will give you the quadratic polynomial. So k times x square minus sum of the roots is minus p. So minus of minus p होगी plus p actually. Minus 1 by p is the product of the roots. So k times x square plus px minus 1 by p. Or if I take k as 1, ये देखो k I am writing this as px square plus p square x minus p by p. So if you take k as p, so your value will be px square plus p square x plus minus p. So ये होगी polynomial taking k as p. लेकिन यहाँ पे they did not ask you, they are asking you the option with k. So ये वाला option they are asking. So k times x square plus px minus 1 by p. So option C is the correct one. Let me know if you have any doubts in this. Any doubts in this? Okay. So shall we proceed with the next question, beta? Okay. Next एक और case study करेगी आप? Okay. I hope there are no doubts. चलो, let's do one more case study. See, this is the second case study question which I'm displaying here for you. An asana is a body posture originally and still a general term for a sitting meditation pose, and later extended in hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any given type of pose or position, adding reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. In the figure, one can observe that poses can be related to representation of a quadratic polynomial. So as you can see, the asanas, okay, sare asanas, whatever you are able to see here. Let me show it here. Whatever you are able to see here, okay. So all these are, okay, all these are of a parabolic shape. So this U-shaped shape. Yes or no? Everyone? Is it clear, people? Okay. So chalo. So now let us display the question for you. The shapes of the poses are. So the question asks the shape of the poses are. So very clear, the shapes are parabolic. So किसी को बताने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. It is very evident. The shapes are parabolic in shape. The graph of a parabola opens downward if. So here see, in a parabola, okay, so agar it is a upward curve, so a is greater than 0. Remember beta. If it is a downward 0, then a is less than 0. A is nothing but x square coefficient. Okay, so if x square coefficient is greater than 0, you will get a upward curve. If x square coefficient is less than 0, you will get a downward curve. Okay, so they are asking if the graph opens downwards, then what is that? You can write a is less than 0. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Clear everyone? Yes. So how is the session? Are you liking the questions? अच्छे है questions? So people interacting in the chat box will help you to, interact with me more and more, and I will be launching more and more sessions for you here on Unacademy. Okay. So in the graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? So just have a look at the graph. This is the graph they are asking. In this particular graph, how many zeros are you able to find? Anurag says option C. Option C for second question, beta. Third का? Third option. Option C again, right? So see, the graph is cutting x-axis at this point and also at this point. So how many points it is cutting? How many times it cuts x-axis? Those many zeros it will have. So here it is cutting x-axis at 2 points. So it will have 2 zeros. Okay. See the fourth one. The 2 zeros in the above shown graph are. So ये देखो. हाँ 2 beta 2 exactly Anurag. Excellent. So यहाँ पे 2 zeros है ना. So वो 2 zeros क्या है? You have to find. That is the next question. So wherever the graphs cuts x-axis, okay, so here it is cutting x-axis. So इसका point बताओ where it is cutting -2, 0 and 4, 0. So wherever the graph is cutting x-axis, the x coordinates, okay, the x coordinates will give you the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so यहाँ पे -2 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Is it clear? बेटा clear है क्या? -2 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. चलो next question पे जाएंगे then. I hope this is clear for you now. Fifth question, the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. What is the polynomial given to us? 4√3x² plus 5x minus 2 root 3. 4√3x² plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So you have to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. 4√3x² plus 5x minus 2 root 3. I just wrote the polynomial here. 4√3x² plus 5x minus 2 root 3. ठीक है, इसका zeros find out करना है. So कैसे करें? Have a look now. So I need to take the product of x square coefficient and the constant. Okay, इसका product लेना है. So x square coefficient is 4 root 3 and constant is minus 2 root 3. 4 2s are 8 and is minus 8 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So ये product का value है minus 24. Okay, so the value is minus 24. Till here is it clear everyone? Minus 24. So इसके बाद now minus 24 I can write it as 2 12s या फिर 3 8s. Now you see 2 and 12 combination. 2 and 12 difference will be 10, which is not your middle term. लेकिन 3 and 8 difference is 5, which is your middle term. So this middle term I can write it as 8x minus 3x. Okay, I have minus 24. Minus 24 I can write as minus 3 into 8. Minus 3 into 8. So I can write this as 8x minus 3x. Okay, so you have 4 root 3x square here plus minus 2 root 3. So from these two values you can take 4 common. So you will have root 3. 4x अगर मैं common ले लूँ, so root 3x plus 2 होगी. And from these two values if I take minus root 3 common, so you will have root 3. यहाँ से see 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3. Okay, you have 3x. So root 3 into root 3x you can write. This root 3 you are taking common. So what is remaining? What is remaining? Root 3x. So that root 3x I wrote it here. So यहाँ तक any doubts better let me know. Okay. Root 3x. ये देखो minus you have taken common, so here plus comes. And root 3 is common, so 2 comes. So again root 3 plus 2 is common. So root 3x plus 2 is common. So here 4x is remaining and here minus root 3 is remaining. So root 3x plus 2 equals to, you can write as 0. So root 3x will be equal to minus 2 and x will be equal to minus 2 by root 3. 4x minus root 3 will be equal to 0, or 4x equals to, I can write as root 3, or x equal to root 3 by 4. Did you understand how to factorize this? Everyone? Everyone? Okay. So which option would be correct then? Let's check. See, there are four options. Minus 2 by root 3 and root 3 by 4. Minus 2 by root 3 and root 3 by 4. I can see option B is correct. Minus 2 by root 3 and root 3 by 4. So till here is it clear everyone? So this is how case based questions are asked for you and this is how you have to solve. So अगर कोई भी डर था अभी तक, okay, relating to case based questions, I hope now it is very clear for you and you are confident that you can do case based questions, isn't it? Are you? Are you really confident to do case based questions now? Yes, amazing. So this is just a sample of the class and you will have lot more classes. So you will find my profile of Unacademy here in the description box beta. You can attend my free classes there as well. And we are planning more and more classes for you on the channel so that आपका कोई भी मॉडल में या कोई भी चैप्टर में या कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट में कुछ भी डाउट हो, you can really contact us. Okay, within this comment box you can tell us which chapters you need. Okay, D is not the correct answer, so just have a look here. You got positive root 3 by 4. So positive root 3 by 4 मतलब B. Okay, चलो एंड कोई भी टॉपिक अगर आपको चाहिए या कुछ और चाहिए फ्रॉम द चैनल, लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. सो वी विल डेफिनेटली प्लान आउट दोज क्लासेस फॉर यू. ठीक है, एंड कोई भी डाउट अगेन यू कैन आस्क मी इन द chat box. Okay, and one question I just want you to give as homework. What will the graph be of x square plus 2? Okay, your options are ग्राफ कैसे ग्राफ चाहिए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 का? इंटरसेक्टिंग एक्स एक्सिस एट वन पॉइंट या फिर टचिंग एक्स एक्सिस, या फिर आप कर सकते हो नॉट टचिंग और intersecting. So similar model question we have done in today's session. Option D none. So क्या होगी इसका आंसर? Do let me know in the comment box. Chapter 4 which topic do you need? Let me know. Chapter 4 का कौन सा टॉपिक चाहिए आपको, बता दो. Whatever topics you need, please let me know in the comment box, but so that I can check it later also. क्योंकि live chat अभी we cannot check it after the video once I am not live. So मुझे comment box में बता दो कौन सा chapters चाहिए and which topic in that particular chapter you need. Okay, so few more questions. Let's do it in the next session. So people, thank you so much for being here. So please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe कर लो and do like the video and do invite all your friends also to the channel so that we can have a good number here in the channel. Okay, and I will see you all in tomorrow's class. So subscribe करके रखो so that you get the notification. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like the session and do share it with your friends as well. ठीक है एंड आपने चैप्टर 4 पूछा अनुराग चैप्टर 4 में कौन सा टॉपिक डू यू नीड ओके जस्ट लेट मी नो ठीक है जस्ट लेट मी नो सो बाय बाय